It is 7 in the morning. We are up early.
Very early.
Jet lagged. Trying to find a Starbucks, right?
Did you wake up this morning?
4. I actually thought it was 5. I thought the time was 5, so I was like, that's okay. And then I got up and then I looked again and I was like, oh no, it's 4. It's a bit early, but... So here we are in Miami. It's very nice. It is very beautiful here. Very beautiful. Yeah, so it's 20 degrees about.
So,
Yeah. Starbucks. We found it. Time to get some coffee. Shall we go in? Thank you. So here we're sitting, or Victor is coming back, I'm assuming. I have my latte. I had a middle-sized. I think this grande. I'm not sure. Grande, yes. And almost spelled his name right. And then, yeah, he had a venti, bigger one. So here we're sitting in Miami, and it's a nice breeze. Hello, what did you get?
I got a turkey bacon and egg white sandwich.
Nice.
It's nice.
It's great. Have you slept?
Slept okay. I think I woke up around 4 as well. I think around when you woke up.
Yeah.
Then I managed to go back to sleep again. Slept till 6:30 maybe.
Yeah, that's good. And what's happening today?
Today we'll go on a cruise.
Yay!
Finally.
Going on our cruise.
It's gonna be nice. So we're leaving here at around 11:30, I think.
Yeah.
So going to the port of Miami, check in, and all this stuff. If you want to see the sandwich. Dun, dun, dun. Dun. It's hot.
Oh, it was hot.
Doesn't look too appetizing, right?
No, that's good. But it looks a little bit tiny.
It is tiny.
Very tiny. We're gonna need 5 of those, I think.
Only 5?
In 1.2 miles, use the left lane to take the exit on the left toward Cruise Terminals DJ. Turn left,
So that's
then the
the
drop-off
Carnival
will be on the
Magic
left.
Finding our documents and stuff for the trip.
It's our ESTA and
A lot
our
of papers.
booking confirmation.
Yeah, our visa.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we have our boarding passes here.
So now we are at Miami Port, right?
Exactly.
And we're gonna board the cruise. Very
Looking forward to it?
exciting. Yes. The ship is insanely big. It's crazy.
Great.
It's gonna be fun. Woohoo. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, looking forward to all the food and the...
The all-inclusive, all-you-can-eat buffets. Same.
Morning, welcome.
Time to board the cruise.
Yes.
Very exciting. So we are on the cruise now. This is what it looks like. Part of it. So I'm so hungry. It's huge.
So where we're eating is basically on deck 10. You have the spa here, Cloud 9.
We're gonna go up and get some food now. Time to eat.
What do you think so far?
It's huge. It's massive, but it's very cool. I'm impressed. Yeah. So it's gonna be nice to walk around a little bit and just see everything. Okay, let's get food. So they have a deck with different restaurants. They have like tacos and salads and pizza and hamburgers and stuff.
All right, finally here.
Yes. Let's go in. our luggage hasn't arrived yet, but maybe later.
It's yours.
Okay.
This one.
What's the difference? Just the colors. How do you turn the light on? Whoa!
Is in need of special assistance, please let your stateroom steward know. We will notify our special needs team to assist.
Hello!
Hello.
Hello! So this is our suite, right?
Attention,
A room. Suite sounds fancy and this is not fancy.
including this.
Okay, so we're on the cruise. We've eaten and now we are gonna drop our bags here and
Explore.
explore the boat. Yes, it's gonna be fun. So this is our little room. And this is the bathroom. Oi, it's very blue.
Green, I would say.
Or green, yes. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Are you glad to be here?
I'm glad to be here with you. So now I'm gonna take the left side this time.
Yes, last night we slept on the wrong sides. Victor always sleeps on that side. But yesterday he slept on the other side. And it felt strange. So, yes, makes sense. What is this?
I think it's put a luggage on.
Ah, okay. Yep, but the cruise, like the ship is massive.
It's
It's
huge.
crazy. Yeah. Okay, where are we going then? To the
Yeah, let's
pool?
go up. I can check the gym if you
Yeah.
want. Check it out.
Yeah. Okay,
Let's do it.
that's good. What's this then?
This is something you have to have if you want to pay for anything, or if you have to enter the room or anything. So you have to have these with you.
So it's my card.
It is your card.
Okay. Nice. So here is the gym on the boat. It is very empty at the moment. Hey! Very empty. But look at this view. That you can work out and watch. Very pretty. And this is my view right now. It is so beautiful. So we just walked around the ship, we looked at the gym and the different areas. We've had some lunch, I had some tacos, which were so good. The food here is actually really, really good. So they have a buffet and then they have tacos and like burgers and pretty much everything or anything. And now we're just sitting here tanning. The boat is gonna leave in the evening. I think around maybe like 7 or 7:30 or something. In the afternoon at least. The time is like 2 now, I think. Yeah, time is 2. So we've been here for like 2 hours maybe. But Miami is so beautiful. I am so impressed. The water, the people, everything is just great. And Victor is working on his tan. I tried to get him to put on some sunscreen, but he refused, so we'll see. Hello, darling. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Are you tanning?
I am.
What about sunscreen?
I'm very pale right now.
Yeah, me too, but
But please, stay pale, please.
no. Stay alive.
Alive? No. Okay, but then I need your help, so...
Yeah, I will help. I will help you.
Thank you.
When is the boat leaving?
5 o'clock.
5, okay. And when do we have dinner?
8:50.
In the restaurant?
Yeah. So I think we should get ready around 6:30 maybe, and then walk around a bit.
Yeah.
Maybe I can have a glass of water or wine for me at least, maybe.
Yeah.
Someplace, or a Coke, a Pepsi.
Yep, sounds good. So I went to the buffet and asked for a tiny piece. Not super tiny. This is some sort of cake. I don't even know what it is. a cake, this was a cookie, and this was a German cookie, actually. German cake or something. This one, which looks nice. Here is the view from the window. We're leaving in 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Going to the Bahamas.
Nice.
Yay!
So what do you think about the coffee so far? American coffee?
No, it's not great. I don't know, it's something about the taste. But that's the thing, like, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's just different. That's the thing, like, you're not used to it. So, I'll probably get used to it, and then I'll get home and I'll be like, what's this? You're just doing something with the app. They have a cruise app. And we also bought the Wi-Fi, so we have that on the boat as well.
That's good though.
Yeah, I don't know how you can make it without Wi-Fi for a week. That'd be crazy. Okay, I'm gonna try.
Magic family. This announcement is for Kenneth Johnson.
I'm gonna try the cakes. I'll start with the big one. It's good, but it's very sweet. Oh. I think it's like a peanut cake.
Okay, let me try.
Try.
Taste.
You try it.
I want some of that Castile on the top.
Yes, sir. Good. You like it?
I approve.
You approve. That's good. No, it was good. Now I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna taste preview. I'm gonna try this one. I don't even know what this is.
Walnut cake.
I'm allergic to walnut. What's in this? Want to taste it?
Sure. Couscous.
Yeah, it's coconut, right? Coconut. And now the cookie.
Good afternoon, Carnival Magic. This is Captain Bruno speaking. On behalf of all my office
Tastes like a
staff
cookie.
and crew, it is my pleasure
It is nice
in case
here.
of an emergency.
I like the boat. I like the cruise.
All guests must complete their self-master process before setting time.
It's very chill and
I
everyone's
want to
just
thank
hanging
those who
here.
have already completed this
nice.
important step, and if you have yet to do so,
So here's the play area, right? Playground. Have some ping pong and this. Yeah. And what's this?
Mini golf.
Ah, mini golf. Yes. What did you say? Is that downtown Miami? Over there.
Downtown, and that's Miami Beach.
And here's Miami Beach. Over here somewhere. Now the boat is leaving. Yay!
You know where I'm
We're on our way. Off to the Caribbean.
Yeah,
Fun!
finally.
This is where we're standing at that playground area. Watching the boat go. So it's around 7 in the evening and we're gonna go off to dinner now. Very exciting. We're going to the restaurant.
Yes, first I'm gonna just show you around. I think our time slot is 8:15 or something like that. So just walk around, hang out a bit, and then have dinner at 8:15.
Yep, it's gonna be fun. So I've never seen the restaurant.
No.
But it's at which floor? 5?
Fifth. Yeah.
5th, yeah. So that's gonna be fun. So today when we ate lunch, we were at the top deck.
Yeah, so Lido deck.
Yeah, and there's the buffet and everything, like the different taco and burger place, and so this is all inclusive. So you just go and grab whatever you want whenever you want. There's an ice cream machine that's very popular, and a frozen yogurts, and yeah, they have everything here. So it's gonna be nice to see the restaurant as well. Today we've just been chilling. The boat left at 3:30 in the afternoon. What's tomorrow?
There's a diamond sale, so if you want to have some jewelry, or there's a fashion watch sale, and also win a cruise something
Competition.
competition. Yes, yeah. There's a lot of things happening tomorrow.
Yeah.
Of course, we're stopping off at Half Moon Cape,
Yes, so tomorrow we are stopping in, it's Bahamas, right?
Bahamas.
Yeah. So that's gonna be exciting. Now we're gonna go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, nice.
Always recording me when I'm eating.
Or are you always eating?
That's how it's gonna be, okay?
It smells good too.